welcome to the in front of me REALME GT Neo 2, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off the silent mode on this device. So first you should go to the settings app, and here just scroll down to the sounds and vibration section. Now just here you'll see the sound mode section. Tap here and switch your ringing mode to the silent mode. And as can you see, your ringtones and notifications just disabled right now. Sounds disabled. So that's how it looks. And if you want to just switch it to the vibration one or to the ringing mode, just tap switch it here to the ringing. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.